Hello and welcome to Virtual Learning Network. This e-lecture is on Computer Basics and PC Software, Block 1, Unit 5, Introduction to My Personal Computer. The topics we are going to cover are Personal Computer, Type of a PC, PC stand for Personal Computer, Workstation, Desktop Computers, Laptop, Notebook, tablet PC, hardware component of a PC, software components, application software, utility software, desktop, my computer, my document, recycle bin, taskbar, internet on a PC, dial-up internet connection, broadband internet connection, proxy server. Let's start with introduction. A personal computer, PC, is a general purpose computer used day-to-day activities in different areas, including education, business, and health. PC is useful for the users. PC are many types such as desktop computer, laptop, tablets, PC. PC can connect it to the computer network by wired or wireless media. Personal computer. A personal computer is a general purpose computer used for day-to-day activities in different areas, including education, business, administration, and health. Due to its size and capabilities, PC is useful for the user. A PC can be operated directly and may be used for computational, word processing, internet, teleconferencing, and data storage purpose. Configuration of a PC. Configuration of a PC usually mean the technical details of the system such as RAM, processor, hard disk, etc. RAM. It is a form which stores frequently used program instructions to increase the general speed of a system. Processor. A processor is the logic circuitry that responds to and processes the basic instructions that drive a computer. The four primary functions of a processor are fetch, decode, execute, and write back. Hard disk. A magnetic disk on which you can store computer data. Motherboard. Motherboard holds some of the most important component of the computer system. It is known as software board. Data bus. A data bus is a computer subsystem that allows for the transferring of data from one component to another on a motherboard. DVD writer. DVD stand for digital video disc. It is optical media which is stored the digital data. Keyboard. Computer keyboards are similar to electric typewriters that enables you to enter data into a computer. Last one is monitor. It is visual display for computer. Types of a PC. First one is workstation. A workstation is a high-performance computer which is used for scientific and technical tasks such as computer graphics, scientific simulation, computer-aided design, image processing, engineering calculations, etc. It is generally used in such applications which require a moderate amount of computing power. Workstations are generally single-user system, however, they can be connected together to form a LAN. The term workstation is also used for high-capacity mainframe computer terminal or a PC connected to a network and working in client-server mode. A workstation has superior processing and storage capabilities than a normal PC, especially with respect to providing multitasking capabilities. Desktop computer. Desktop computer is popularly known as personal computer. As the name suggests, it is generally small in size and fitted on the top of a desk, which can be used at a fixed location. Most of modern desktop computer has separate screens and keyboards. Advantages of desktop computer are it may be used for day-to-day computational and internet communication activities of business, office, schools, etc. Laptop. Laptop is also a personal computer but intended of using it at a single place. It is small size, portable and can be used anywhere. Portability is one of the main advantage of a laptop over a table PC. Another advantage of a laptop is that it contains batteries which are used for power supply. It makes a laptop usable even if power is not available. In a laptop, almost all the components are attached as a single unit. Netbook. Netbooks are special type of laptop which is very light and small. Due to its size and weight, it is very portable and one may carry it very easily. Dissimilar to laptop, it does not require a separate carry bag for it. Netbooks are suitable for general purpose computing works and for accessing the internet. They also use less powerful hardware than most laptops. Due to limited processing capabilities, notebooks are less expensive than laptops. Tablet PC. A tablet PC is similar to a personal computer. It is a portable device which has a touch screen for inputting of the data. A tablet computer can connect to the internet and local computer network through wireless. In general term, tablet PC refers to a slate-shaped mobile computer device equipped with global positioning system and a touch screen to operate the computer. Hardware components of a PC. First one is computer case. A computer case covers the computer circuitry. It is also known as cabinet, box, computer chassis, etc. It is a box which contains different components of a computer like CPU, motherboard, RAM, power supply unit, etc. Central Processing Unit (CPU). Central Processing Unit is considered as one of the most important component of a computer system. It is also known as the brain of a computer. The main function of a CPU is to execute a series of instructions called a program in a specific sequence. Normally, there are 4 steps that all CPU use in order to perform their operation. These are fetch, decode, execute and output. We already studied CPU contains arithmetic logic unit and control unit. ALU and CU are jointly known as the Central Processing Unit. Motherboard. Motherboard holds some of the most important component of the computer system. It is also known as system board, main board, etc. In a typical computer, microprocessor, main memory and other components are connected to the motherboard. It acts as a base for other components. Motherboard also provides connectors for several other devices. A motherboard allows many different parts of our computer to receive power and communicate with one another. This picture shows how motherboard looks like. The below is a brief description about some parts of a motherboard. First one, ATX power connector. Advanced technology extended power connectors is used to connect computers' power supply to motherboard. GP slot. Accelerated graphics ports is a point-to-point channel which is used to attach a video card to a motherboard. CD in header. At this CD drive is plugged in or connected. FDD header, floppy disk drive header, is used for floppy drive. Now this load is obsolete because floppy disks are outdated. HDD headers. Hard disk drive header is used for connecting to hard disk. PCI slots. It is used for connecting the PCI card like modem, sound card and video card. USB headers. Universal Serial Bus. It is a group of pins to which an internal USB cable can be attached to provide extra USB ports. These ports are used for attaching external auxiliary devices. Video card. A video card is an expansion card which is used to produce output image to a display in a monitor. Its main purpose is to generate graphical information. It is responsible for rendering the image on the monitor of a PC. It is also known as video adapter, display adapter or graphic card. A video card should be capable of displaying the best resolution supported by the monitor of the system. These days, high-performance video cards are available for gaming purpose, which requires very high resolution. Video card consists of a circuit board which holds several components such as graphics processing unit, video memory, video BIOS, etc. Software components. To solve a given problem, we write various programs in different programming languages. Programs are nothing but a set of instructions written in a programming language to solve a problem. These computer programs are collectively known as software. Software is an integral component of a computer system. It is the software which directs a computer to do a specific task. Software can be broadly categorized as system software, application software and utility softwares. Let's begin with system software. System software. System software is a set of programs which are used to run the system. System software manages all the other resources of the computer. It controls all the operations of the computer. One important system software requires to work any computer system is operating system. Operating system is one of the most important system software. An operating system, commonly called OS. OS is system software which acts as an interface between a user and computer hardware. It also acts as a bridge between application programs and the computer hardware. Application software. Application software is the set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified application. These are programs written by computers to enable computer to perform a specific task such as inventory control, accounting, railway reservation, billing or any such type of applications in real life. These software are user-oriented applications. Utility software. Utility programs are also known as utilities. Utilities help out a user for system maintenance and performing routine tasks. It basically deals to optimize, manage, configure and analyze the computer system. Generally, utilities are included with the operating systems, while application software are user and application-oriented. Utilities software focuses on system infrastructure. Some of the common tasks of utility software are formatting of drivers, scanning system for viruses, checking the free space available in a memory, checking the free space available in hard disk. Disk checkers. Disk checkers are used to check the integrity of the hard disk and pen drive. Check disk is a command which is used for this purpose. This command can be used on a computer running Windows operating system. It fixes the logical file system errors found in the disk. It is a command line tool which is used to check the volumes for any potential errors. This command can be used to repair the problems related to bad sector, lost clusters, directory errors, etc. Running check disk from my computer. Double click my computer and then right click the disk drive you want to check. Click property there and then click tools. Under error checking, click check now button. It will open a dialog box which shows check disk options. System storage. It is important to note that the system storage is not able to take backups of personal files such as image, emails, documents, etc. System restore rollback system files, registry keys, etc. in case of system malfunction or failure for later use. System restore is a facility available with modern Windows operating system like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows ME, Windows 7. System restore backs up system files such as .dll, dynamic link library, .exe, executable file, etc. and saves it for later use. System restore helps us to restore computer system file to an earlier state. Disk defragmenter. Disk defragmenter is a utility provided with Windows operating system. It rearranges the files stored on the disk so that it can occupy contiguous memory locations. This process is known as defragmentation. The main benefit of defragmentation are that it minimizes the head movement of the hard disk, in turn which reduces the time taken to read file from and write files to the disk. It increases the access time. With this, process files are stored in contiguous locations. Data compression. Data compression is the process in which information is encoded with lesser bits in compared to the original representation. Data compression. Data compression is the process in which information is encoded with lesser bits in compared to the original representation. Data compression is very useful as it reduces the size of the file so it consumes fewer resources like disk space. For this purpose, you can use zip unzip utility. Zipping a file creates the compressed version of the file which takes much smaller space than the original file. A zipped file has .zip file extension. Some of the advantages of zipping a file includes less storage space. Smaller file reduces transmission time on the network. Also, some zip utilities has the facility to encrypt the data for security purposes. Disk management. Disk management is a tool used to manage system disks and their partitions locally or remotely. With disk management utility, we can perform more disk-related tasks such as initialization of disks, creation of volumes, formatting volumes, etc. Disk management is easy to use and its user interface and wizards allow us to carry out various disk-related functions very efficiently. You can also manage remote computers using disk management. Desktop. Desktop is the background area on our computer screen. A desktop is a place which holds icons, files, folders, etc. Desktop is visible image which cover entire screen. Icons on a desktop are small graphical images which represent various terms found like my computer, recycle bin, my document, my computer. It displays different drives and disk attached. My Documents. It is a special folder where the system stores file, picture, music, download, etc. Recycle Bin. Recycle Bin are temporary folder which holds files and folders before it permanently deleted from the storage device. We can easily restore from Recycle Bin. Taskbar. It is used to launch and monitor running application. The Start button which opens the Start menu. The middle section allow you to open, program and document. The notification area which includes clock and icons which show status of certain icons. Internet on a PC. Dial-up internet connection. It is a way to connect to the internet in which public switched telephone network is used to make a internet connection via telephone lines to a internet service provider. In dial-up connection, telephone network is of primary importance since dial-up connection requires telephone lines which have limited capacity. Its transmission speed is limited and it is slow. Modem is required for dial-up internet connection. Modem is short form of modulator demodulator. A modem is a hardware device or a software application program that is used in a computer to transmit data or information over a network such as a telephone or cable lines. Broadband connection. Broadband connection is a high data rate connection as compared to dial-up connection. Broadband has very high rate of data transmission. In contrast to a dial-up connection, it is a permanent connection which can be set up over a high-speed communication links. Last one is proxy server. Proxy server is a server which acts as an intermediate between the client application and the web server. Summary time. A personal computer is a general purpose computer used for day-to-day activities. Nowadays, personal computer become vital part of the life of a person. There are various type of personal computers. We all know that, such as desktop computer, laptop, netbook, tablet, etc. Configuration is basically technically specification details about the computers. Discuss about hardware, software specifications. Thank you for this session.